Protein is a core nutrient used to build and repair tissue. It helps maintain muscle mass and support strength. Protein also supports immune defenses against infections. It is needed to produce enzymes that run many body processes. Protein helps make hormones that regulate growth and metabolism. Protein contributes to wound healing and recovery after injury. It also helps you feel full and manage appetite. Different people need different amounts of protein. Age affects protein needs over a lifetime. Body size changes how much protein someone requires. Physical activity raises the amount of protein the body uses. Pregnancy and breastfeeding increase protein needs for growth. Illness and injury can temporarily raise protein requirements. Older adults often need more protein to preserve muscle. Athletes and people who train hard usually use extra protein. Signs of low protein can develop slowly over time. These signs are not always obvious or specific. Fatigue, slower recovery, and weak muscles may signal low intake. Hair, skin, and nail changes can also be related to protein. Immune weakness and frequent infections may be linked to low protein. Many of these symptoms overlap with other health issues. That overlap makes self-diagnosis unreliable and risky. If you suspect low protein, seek professional advice. A healthcare provider or registered dietitian can help assess needs. In this video, we will cover 5 common signs to watch for. Protein quality and variety also matter for good health. Plant and animal proteins differ in amino acid patterns. Combining different plant sources can provide complete amino profiles. Total daily protein and meal distribution both influence outcomes. Calories and overall diet quality affect how protein is used. Chronic low intake may impair strength and daily function. Sudden changes after surgery or illness increase protein demand. Monitoring symptoms and eating patterns can reveal potential gaps. We will later suggest practical steps to improve intake. Always consider professional testing when symptoms are persistent. First, frequent hunger or constant cravings can be a sign. Protein helps you feel full between meals. If you eat enough calories and still feel hungry, check protein. Cravings for snacks or sweets may indicate low protein intake. However, cravings can also come from lack of sleep or stress. They can also be influenced by blood sugar swings or habits. Second, loss of muscle strength or trouble keeping lean mass is important. Protein is needed to repair and build muscle tissue. If weights feel heavier or progress stalls, protein could be low. Age, reduced physical activity, or hormonal changes can cause similar loss. Thyroid issues or other medical conditions can also reduce strength. Third, slow recovery after workouts or injuries is a common signal. Protein supports tissue repair and immune responses that speed healing. If soreness lingers or cuts take longer to close, consider protein needs. But recovery also depends on rest, sleep quality, and overall nutrition. Infections or circulation problems can slow healing too. Fourth, brittle hair, weak nails, or changes in skin health may appear. These tissues need protein as a structural building block. Dry skin, thinning hair, or splitting nails can suggest low protein intake. Yet these signs can also result from iron deficiency or vitamin shortfalls. They can also stem from hormonal shifts or chronic stress. Fifth, unusual fatigue or frequent minor illnesses can indicate a problem. Protein plays a role in immune function and producing enzymes and hormones. Consistent tiredness or more colds could be linked to inadequate protein. At the same time, anemia, sleep deprivation, or infections often cause fatigue. If you notice one or more of these signs, consider broader causes and seek advice. If you recognized any of the signs, here is what to do next. Focus on gradual and sustainable changes. Start by spreading protein across your meals. Include some protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Small amounts at snacks also help. Choose a variety of protein sources each day. Include fish, eggs, and dairy when tolerated. Add legumes and soy foods for plant-based protein. Use nuts and seeds as snacks or toppings. Include poultry or lean meats for more options. Rotate sources to get different nutrients. Pair protein with fiber-rich carbohydrates. Think whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. Also include healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. This combination supports fullness and steady energy. Simple swaps can make a big difference. Try Greek yogurt or cottage cheese as a snack. Add beans or lentils to salads and soups. Top oatmeal with seeds and nut butter. Cook fish or chicken with vegetables for balanced meals. If you follow a restricted diet, plan carefully. Seek personalized advice from a qualified professional. Talk to a registered dietitian or your healthcare provider. This is especially important if symptoms persist or worsen. Also consult before making major diet changes if you have kidney disease. Seek guidance for major dietary restrictions or eating disorders. Talk to your provider if you are pregnant or have chronic illness. With safe changes, many people improve strength, recovery, and energy. Protein supports muscles, immunity, and daily function. Listen to your body and use evidence-based steps. If unsure, get professional help. Thanks for watching and take care of your nutrition. Like this video, subscribe to Prime Body Lab, and upgrade your body and brain every day.